Alpha Capital, is it a new and improved version of Stablefund, or is it something completely different? Let's take a look. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel, from the real Degen projects to blue chips to low market cap gems. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we're going to take a look at Alpha Capital. It looks somewhat similar to Stablefund, but there are a lot of differences, and we're going to take a look at those differences and how to get started on this. Just make sure that you're very careful with this. This is definitely a Degen project. It's very, very new, and as far as I know, so far the team is not doxed. I've been in the Telegram trying to get more information about the project, but I just want you to make sure that you're very careful. I have invested in this project though. Okay, if we get into it, we're at alphacapital.app, and if we look at the dashboard here, the average daily return since inception so far is 1.24% daily, and they do have a deposit limit in this project. They don't want to get huge like Stablefund. The deposit limit currently is $1.05 million. They do have 4 different coins they accept. It's USDC, BNB, BUSD, and MATIC. Okay, if we go down, it says why Alpha Capital is better, and it says they have state-of-the-art quant trading strategies. So they use trading strategies and trading algorithms. It says we use market-neutral strategies ranging from low-latency arbitrage trading to medium timescale quant strategies. According to what I've heard, they're supposed to share some trading logs, as well as they're going to come out with an MEV bot as well to add revenue to the project. Also, they have this, which I thought was cool. It says an extra layer of protection. Alpha Capital automatically holds on to a portion of every profitable trading day to build the insurance fund, which could eventually cover more than 100% of every user's investment. Every wallet is entitled to a portion of the insurance fund, which I thought was cool. That's definitely different than I've seen before, especially with Stablefund. It says flexible terms, invest on your own terms, claim your rewards daily, and compound. Deposit and withdraw anytime, no strings attached. Lockups, ? We don't do that here. Okay, so we aim for stability and predictability. We never take in more funds than we can efficiently trade. The total investment amount is always capped. Profits are announced every single day, so you never have to worry about an unsustainable yield, which all sounds really good to me. We go to the bottom, there's some FAQs that are interesting, and we'll go through them real quick. Can I take my initial funds back? It says once you deposit your preferred asset, the bots start trading with your funds and generate daily returns for you. If at any point, even after 1 hour, you decide to opt out, you can do that immediately. And then we look at fees. There's a 5% management fee. That's when you deposit, they take the 5% out automatically. And it says, can you make multiple deposits as long as the total investment amount limit has not been reached? You can make a number of deposits. It's also the only way to compound your returns. So once they get up to this amount of 1.05 million, they stop taking deposits. They're at 166,000 right now. So it's kind of a long way away, but that could go pretty quickly. How often can you claim your rewards? You can claim your rewards daily for any invested amount, as there is no minimum limit, which is good. And then, is my deposit protected? It says yes, we use our proprietary insurance model. Alpha Capital automatically holds onto a portion of every profitable trading day to build the insurance fund, which could eventually cover more than 100% of every user's investment. Every wallet is entitled to a portion of the insurance fund. And there's a few other things down here. They say you can find support at the Telegram group. I was in there asking questions earlier. And then it says how to use alphacapital on your mobile phone. It says use any wallet that has a built-in browser. So that's acceptable as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the app. The app looks really clean. They have BNB, BUSD, MATIC, and USDC. I put a little bit in the BNB pool and a little bit in the MATIC pool. They said that they're going to have daily stats and tell you exactly what the return is daily. And then they're going to show, total rewards, the amount of investors, the P&L history of what they make per day. And then down here is your transaction history. Then you can go down here to the stats and you can click on each coin and see how much of each is invested into the protocol. Okay, then up here, similar to stablefund, it shows you your weekly, daily, and hourly rewards on all the coins that you deposited. The thing is that you have to worry about, though, is if you deposit and you withdraw before 31 days is up, then you will only get back your initial minus your rewards. So if you put in $100, you got $20 in rewards, and day 20 you want to take your $100 out, you would only get $80 back, because that would be your initial minus your rewards. I think that's exactly how it's supposed to go. If I'm wrong on that, please comment and let me know that I'm wrong and what the correct way is, but I believe that's the way it's going to go. In summary, everything in DeFi is very risky. Only, put in what you can afford to lose. I hesitantly will leave my referral link in the description of the video. That'll just help the channel out if you do use that. Like I said before, they only are going up to this 1.05 million. Once that has been reached, then that's their deposit limit. They will not be accepting any more deposits at that time. Just wanted to get this video out quick for you guys so you could decide whether or not this is for you. If it's not, that's not for you. If it is, give it a shot. I'm just putting a little bit into it, and I'm going to try to get my initial back and rewards first. And then after that, I think I'm going to compound to kind of build up my position. So first, my strategy is to get my initial out and then compound to build a bigger position in the protocol. We'll take a look back at this in a few weeks and see how it's going. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.